Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are tuning in for the first time, my name is Diamond Mine and welcome. So today we're going to be doing a start to finish sleigh wig install, glueless of course, on this pretty wig, which is a Yaki wig sponsored by Neflyonwigs. So if you want to see how I style this wig, keep on watching. Let's get right to it. So before we get into the install, I want to show you guys the inside of this wig. Now, this wig is a fake scalp wig. For those of you who don't know what a fake scalp wig is, it's basically a wig where a piece of fabric has been sewn onto the wig. Now, this fabric is a little too golden like, so I'm not really sure how this is going to play out when it comes to the blending, so we'll just have to see. Now, if you do not want this on your lace, you can definitely just remove it by cutting around the lace, and you have a regular traditional lace frontal wig. By the way, this is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. So yeah, let's see what it do. Oh, and also I didn't have to bleach this wig because it does come with this fake scalp situation. So as I stated previously, this wig is a 13 by 6 frontal. It does come with 6 inches of parting space, and as you can see, I'm really here for it, of course. So you do get 13 inches of lace from left to right. So I am going to be doing a middle part with this wig. I want you guys to kind of take a minute just to look at this actual texture of this hair. This texture is a Yaki wig, so meaning it's really thick, very coarse. I'm trying to zoom in so you guys could see like the little crimps in this hair. You'll be able to see it a little better as the clip continues to play on. But the density on this wig is 150%. It is a 12-inch and it is a Yaki wig. Now, this is my first time ever doing a bob on a Yaki wig because this hair is so thick. It requires you to really, put the wig on a mannequin head and straighten it or style it off of your head because the hair is so thick. And when you apply heat, those little small crimps, you guys can see it right here, they do come out a little bit, but not a whole lot. They're still visible on the hair, but not as visible compared to not using any heat at all. So I'm going to continue to straighten out the hair, and I am going in smaller sections just to make sure I get this wig as straight as possible. Now that I have half of the wig straightened, I want to show you guys how this wig looks. Now you can see the crimps a little bit. It's not as visible compared to not using any heat, but the texture of this wig is a thicker texture. So if you are not really, a person into thick hair, this is not going to be the wig for you. Now you can definitely go in and apply more heat. You can blow dry the hair, you can flat iron it, then you can press it out to try to get it as smooth as possible, but it is going to be a lot of work. But again, if you like fuller hair, this wig will be perfect for you. This wig, I don't think, yeah, it did. This wig came with a pre-plucked hairline. I'm not really feeling the pre-plucked hairline, so later in the video I did go in and pluck just a little bit, and I kind of overplucked, but I'm going to show you guys later in this video how I fixed that overplucking. So the plucking doesn't really look bad, but I just needed to do a little bit of more. Oh, child, this is a lot of freaking hair. So as you can see, I kind of overplucked in the front of the hairline. So what I'm doing is going in with some mascara. If you don't have mascara, you can use a liquid eyeliner and just fill in the hair strands. And it's just going to make the hair strands a little darker. So you're going to get that illusion that you didn't overpluck, if that makes sense. So the lace is really tight on my eyebrows. And I don't want to mess up my eyebrows, so I need to cut some of this lace off. So I'm not really going to do anything drastic around my hairline, just, using this hair mousse to help with securing the lace down. Now, I do like that this lace fits my head really good, and it is a light lace, so it is going to blend into my skin a lot better. So I could definitely appreciate that. But one thing I forgot when I was doing this wig is you cannot apply any type of water or mousse like I'm doing right here, because this hair is going to wave right back up, and that's exactly what happened. So after I did this, I did have to go in with the hot comb and press out my hairline just to kind of smooth it out. So that was like an extra step. And of course, to make sure this wig does not come up, I am going to follow up with some hairspray, and then I'm going to wrap my hair and let it dry. All right, let me say this. I know I said I wasn't really here for the hairline on this wig, but y'all, this hairline right here on this side is laid, honey. I hate when that happens though. Like one side of my wig hairline will be just A1, perfect, and the other side will be like, girl, what was you doing? What was you thinking you was doing? But this hairline on this side is really, really cute. I hate that the hair is so thick that I can't wear it behind my ears because it's just way too thick. And here I go, using hair mousse again, knowing good and darn well my hair finna wave right back up. But, child, I'm too lazy to get up and find the got to be glue gel. Like, I just can't do it right now. So, I'm just gonna work it out this way. So, the reason why I'm doing baby hairs with this wig, I know y'all are like, girl, you do baby hairs with every wig you review, child. No, seriously, I wasn't going to do baby hairs on this wig. I really just wanted like a middle part and a pushback defined hairline. But because this hairline is thick, or I should say like the roots is so thick, it's just not laying down the way I want it to be. And you guys know I like a super flat wig on top, and I'm just not able to really get that with this look because of the texture and the density on this wig, again, which is Yaki, and the density is 150%, and this is a 12-inch, by the way. So I mean, I'm just trying my best to press it out right now and get it to look as natural and as flat as possible, because that is the key to cuteness, honey. In a laid wig is you want your wig flat, child. I mean flat, flat, flat. But yeah, so I'm just gonna work it out, child, and see what I can do and apply just more heat. So overall, I would say that this wig is good for anyone who likes fuller hair, especially for my ladies who like to wear bobs, but like for their bobs to be a lot more fuller and have more body. This is the wig for you. Now, the texture, on the other hand, requires a lot of heat depending on how straight you want your wig to appear. So I mean, overall the wig is not a bad quality. I didn't have any issues with shedding or tangling. So I mean, the texture is just your normal Yaki texture. It's just really thick hair. So if you would like to purchase this wig, y'all already know everything will be below. And thanks again to Neflyonwigs, child, for sponsoring this video. Bye guys.